Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. The first sentence is, pardon me, but I get little fear. Pardon me, but I get little fear. माफ़ करना लेकिन मुझे थोड़ा सा डर लगता है. Second, don't go in the crowd bro. Don't go in the crowd bro. रश में मत जाना भाई. 3. How did your fast go? How did your fast go? तुम्हारा रोज़ा कैसा रहा? 4. I couldn't come today. I couldn't come today. मैं आज नहीं आ सकता. 5. May Allah protect you. May Allah protect you. अल्लाह आपकी हिफाजत करे. 6. Have twice meal. Have a twice meal. दूसरी बार खाना खा लो. 7. Buy me a phone. Buy me a phone. मुझे एक फ़ोन दिला दो. 8. These are new renter. ये नए किराएदार हैं. 9. Take me to the doctor. मुझे डॉक्टर के पास लेके चलो. Take me to the doctor. The last one is 10. Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? क्या आपने अपना काम ख़त्म कर लिया? So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.